Hey guys, are you facing this problem trying to connect Automation Anywhere with the SQL Server? So the problem states could not connect to database. So the issue is with the TCP IP connection at the port. So I have given the same connection string as per the documentation, Automation Anywhere documentation. So I have kept it handy. Let me open it. So I think here, as you can see, this is the connection string. So before that, I have done all the prerequisites. That includes downloading JDBC driver, renaming the auth file. So here you can see the auth file. I've renamed it to SQL JDBC underscore auth, and I've placed this file at two positions, one at system 32 and another one at, let me get into that location. This is the another location. So GRE bin automation anywhere. So this is the another location. I have placed the file and I've done all the prerequisites, but still I'm unable to establish the connection. So where exactly the problem is lying? So currently I'm using SQL Express Server. So the major problem with this server is, this kind of server is, the port is in dynamic nature. It's not a static one, so it will change. So in standard edition SQL, the port will be 1433. It's a static port. So here the port will be dynamic. So we have to change it. First of all, let's try to ping to the server, whether we are able to ping it or not. So open the command prompt as administrator. Okay, let's try pinging it. So this is the ping 1433. As you can see, I couldn't connect to the network. So the ping is getting failed. So that's the reason we were getting that problem. The problem. In order to handle this, what we have to do is just let's get into SQL Server Configuration Manager. Please open it as administrator, otherwise you cannot start and stop the services. Even if you stop, you cannot, sorry, I was saying, even if you stop the service as user, you cannot restart it. So get into this configuration manager as admin, navigate to protocols for SQL Express, this one. Then click on properties, go to IP addresses and scroll to the bottom. So here you can see the TCP dynamic ports. So this is a completely different port. Okay, what we can do is put it as a blank, and this port you can give it as 1433. Click on apply. So it's stating that we have to stop the service and we have to again start it. Okay, no problem. Click on OK. Let's restart the service. I think this is the service. Yes. Click on restart. I think it will take a while, uh, below 30 seconds. Okay, I think the restart happened. Let's ping to the server again. Just want to know whether we are able to ping it or not. Let's ping it. Yes, so it's listening. So the connection has been established. So now I think with Automation Anywhere also the connection would be fine. Let's click on run. So I make no changes in the connection string. So it's fine. You can see the bot has been ran successfully. Means we are able to connect to the SQL server. So that is one thing. So even if this configuration is done, still you are facing the issue, means you can go to your studio, this management studio, right click on this server, get into properties, get into connections, and you might have mistakenly unchecked this. Please check this property and click on OK. This property allows you to establish remote connections. Okay, so this is one thing. And if your firewall is blocking, there is a solution to that also. Go to your Windows Defender firewall, click on advanced settings, go to the inbound rule, click on new rule, port 1433, click on next. Yep, allow the connection. Domain, private, public, I need all. And let's give a name. SQL1433 will be fine. Finish it. That's it. Doing all this might make you connect to the server. Okay. Okay. That is it.